On behalf of the Development Partners Group, I am honored to join you for the launch of Vision 2050, an ambitious and inclusive roadmap for Tanzania's future. We commend the government for the leadership and wide consultations that shaped this vision, as we just saw on the documentary. The inclusive process coordinated through the President's Office, National Planning Commission, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, that brought many varied voices, including those from young people who are now the majority of us, civil society, women, communities, persons with disabilities, everybody. Tanzania has undoubtedly made important progress under the framework of Vision 2025. Tanzania has been able to transition to lower middle income status with steady growth and macroeconomic stability. Under 5, mortality dropped from 67 to 43 per 1,000 live births, and maternal mortality has also significantly declined. Birth registration for under 5s rose significantly from 26 to 68%. Primary school net enrollment increased and it now stands at almost 80%, and secondary at almost 34%. Female labor force participation reached 48.5%. And Tanzania was able to maintain food self-sufficiency above 100% for a decade. And of course, we all know major infrastructure like the Standard Gauge Railway and the Julius Nyerere hydropower plant are driving transformation. So plenty of progress has been achieved in the vision that preceded the one that we're about to launch. Of course, challenges remain, and as they say here in Tanzania, kazi endelee. And there still is plenty of work needed to ensure all Tanzanians enjoy a prosperous today and tomorrow. 1 of 3 children still lives in monetary poverty, 30% are stunted, and child labor persists and affects about 1 in 4 children. Vision 2050 sets a clear agenda going forward. Industrial transformation, green energy, inclusive urbanization, digitization, and gender equality. These priorities resonate with our continental and global goals espoused in Agenda 2030 and Agenda 2063. We welcome the very strong focus on implementation, which of course is the most consequential step of our vision. And we reaffirm our commitment to support the realization of Tanzania's aspirations through partnerships, technical cooperation, and financing. We look forward to working together to mobilize resources, unlock private investment, and support inclusive development. We understand that this vision is the United Republic of Tanzania's promise, both by government and her people, to every child, farmer, and entrepreneur, and that their future is worth investing in. We welcome the joy and enthusiasm with which we launched this vision, and we look forward to our enduring partnership as we move forward with it in unity, purpose, and as we resolve to make these aspirations a reality. So once more, hongereni sana na asanteni sana.